When we first moved into this house, we knew this was going to be our forever house. It was very fitting for us in terms of the bones and the structure. It had all the rooms that we needed. But soon after we moved in, we noticed there were a few things like stylistically and practical aspects that weren't quite fitting our family. So we decided to do some renovations. We asked around, and one of our neighbors recommended speaking with Sasna. Very soon, we actually got to meet Andre himself personally. He set aside some time to meet with us, and what really struck me was his passion for this business, for all his clients, and you could tell that he really wanted to be part of every single project he touched and made it perfect. And there was that personal connection that I really appreciated of Andre. He was also very organized. He walked us through exactly what the process entailed, what to expect, and really made us feel comfortable with what we're going into. We decided to work with Andre, and the first person we met was Camilla as our designer. I can't tell you how much I loved working with Camilla. She was just fantastic. Not only was she organized and she brought me through the process very confidently, but the ideas that she had and how much she would listen to me in terms of what I needed and what kind of styles I wanted to, she managed to incorporate all that with her design expertise. And it was just the most fantastic experience I had with designing. And then of course, next phase was the construction. We had moved out, and even still, we had very close contact with our site supervisor. He was great with updating us on any issues or the progress that was happening, the timeline. When I was able to come in according to my schedule, and he made it work. It was great, and just him personally was a great personality to work with. I loved how neat the place was. Everything was. It wasn't like a war zone, everything was very organized and neat, and the construction was, I would say, very seamless. And what really was the most important thing to us was the time. They kept to the timeline. They were on time. In fact, they were 2 days early, and that was just fantastic. So overall, I would say I'm very, very happy with our experience with Sasna, and I would recommend them to anybody.